I wasn't sure if I should share this yet because it still feels early and I'm still building it. But after what just happened, I felt like I needed to let you in on it. If you're new here, my name's Carl, and I've just been figuring things out one step at a time, especially after everything shifted for me health wise. I knew I needed to start building something different. So, over the last little while, I started working on something quietly, personalized songs for real moments in people's lives, birthdays, anniversaries, family stories. And at first, I honestly thought this would just be another idea I tried. But then something unexpected happened. The first few people got their songs back, and the responses were different. People were emotional, they were sharing them, telling me how much it meant to them. And that's when I realized this might actually be something. So I opened up just 10 founder spots, not a big launch, just a small test, and they sold out faster than I expected with zero ads, no complicated setup, just sharing it and people connecting with it. And that's really why I'm making this video, not because everything is finished, but because it's starting to feel real. So I'm getting ready to open this up properly, turn this into a real offer while still building and improving it as I go. There are already new ideas I want to add, new types of songs, new ways to make it even more meaningful, but I'm letting it grow naturally. And I'll let you in on something else, kind of a behind the scenes piece. Some of the people who got their songs started asking me if they could share this with others. So I've been quietly working on an affiliate program, nothing complicated, just a simple way for people to share something meaningful and earn from it. I'll be opening that up first to the founder group, but also to anyone here who feels connected to this. And I'm still figuring out how much I share, how much I show behind the scenes, especially on this channel. But I do know this: I don't want to build this in silence. I want to bring the right people along with me. So if you've been watching or quietly following along, just know this is still early and you're seeing it as it's being built. And honestly, that means a lot to me.